In the previous lesson, we were measuring cells using the field of view. In this lesson here, we're going to measure cells using the eyepiece gradicle and a stage micrometer. This is our stage micrometer, and I'll send you a photograph of this. Okay, so you put your stage micrometer, and we're going to start off with the by 4 magnification, right? And what we have to do is we have to calibrate the eyepiece gradicle with using the stage micrometer. We know that the stage micrometer, each small division is 0.01 millimeter. Okay, so what you have to do then is you line up your stage micrometer with your eyepiece gradicle. And looking down the microscope here, I can see that my stage micrometer, the whole length of it, there's 100 divisions. Okay, yeah. So we know that the length of the stage micrometer is 100 divisions, right? And each division is 0.01 micrometers, right? The length of this in eyepiece gradicle units is 45 units, and we don't know the size of the eyepiece gradicle units, right? So how we work it out is we have 0.01, right, is each one of these small divisions here, by 100 divisions, by 1,000, which is 1 millimeter is 1,000 micrometers. So what we do is we divide 1,000 by 45 and get 2.2 micrometers for one eyepiece gradicle. So one eyepiece gradicle is 22.2 micrometers. Okay? Then what you need to do is you need to get an onion cell. I'm just using a prepared one at the minute. And you line this up and pick a really big cell just for revision purposes. Okay? Now I picked a really big one just so that you can see it. So one onion cell is 24 eyepiece gradicle units. Yeah? So 24 by 22 is 53.2 or 53.2.8 micrometers, and that's the length of one cell. Now that cell is fairly large, but I picked a big one for this purpose. So that's using your 40. The eyepiece gradicle, the first part was calibrating the red lens, the 10 by 440. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to calibrate for the yellow lens, which is 10 by 10, which is 100. Now the image obviously is going to be an awful lot bigger, so you have to calibrate. Okay, in this case, we're now on the 10 by 10 objective lens. Okay, so we've calibrated it, and the whole length of one eyepiece gradicle, the 10 divisions there, is 97 micrometer divisions. Okay, so we need to multiply that by 0.01, and then 97, and then 1,000, we get 970. So then we divide that by 100, that gives us the eyepiece gradicle divisions, which is 9.7. If one onion cell measures 31 gradicle units, then we'll multiply 9.7 by 31, and we'll get 300.7 micrometers for one onion cell, and that's pretty accurate.